folks. I'm just hanging out here in the Ride Along Adventures Command Center where it is casual dress day, but this RAGBRAI shirt is absolutely appropriate because I decided to take the extensive amount of data recorded during the event, stored here in this little trusty Garmin, and feed it into BICUS, which, as you know, is Brian's incredible computer for useless statistics. And the results were astounding, so let's just dive in. Over the 7-day, 500-mile journey across Iowa, I burned about 14,000 calories from riding, not including the other activities like walking to the showers on the other side of the campground in 95-degree heat, or cheering for Fog Hat's 20-minute rendition of Slow Riding. However, those calories did include holding a pig and laughing about it. So, 14,000 calories is the same as, are you ready? 26 Big Macs. 313 chicken nuggets, which, by the way, a dude was hospitalized for eating 412 in one sitting. So we're getting close. 3,518 French fries, or 60 hot dogs, which is just too short of Joey Chestnut's commanding performance at the 2023 Nathan's Hot Dog Eating Contest. You go, Joey!
He does it for his country! He does it for freedom!
However, while burning calories, I was also sweating profusely, which Garmin estimated a total of, and I still can't believe this, 32.7 liters, or 8.6 gallons of good old Brian sweat. So by volume, that's 65 standard water bottles of Brian sweat. We could make and serve 545 old fashions, replacing the bourbon with, you guessed it, Brian sweat. 92 cans of Coke, again, secret formula is, say it with me, Brian sweat. Or 6.5 oil changes for my car if I were sweating oil during the hottest days, which I was probably close. Now, with respect to time, it took about 42 hours to ride the event. Again, just the riding part. With an average heart rate of 120.29 beats per minute, my heart beat 303,033 times. Thank you, heart. If I gave you a penny a second during that time, that's $1,511. Now, while we're eating those 313 chicken nuggets, that's one every 8 minutes during the ride, we could have watched The Big Lebowski, the single greatest movie in human history. But you know, that's just like my opinion, man. 21.5 times. Now, that 0.5 halfway point would leave us in the limo scene where the dude is explaining the failed money drop to the millionaire Jeff Lebowski and Brandt. By the way, quick aside, I'm immensely dissatisfied with the low number of views for my Gap Trail Big Lebowski Tribute video. I'm going to leave the link in the description. That video really ties the channel together. I'm no Sam Elliott, but I dig his style, and
I guess that's the way the whole darn human comedy keeps perpetuating itself. Oh, I'm rambling again.
Okay, back to BICUS. In 42 hours, we could have watched over 50 episodes of Star Trek, the original series. We could have listened to all 4 movements of Beethoven's 5th Symphony 71 times. Not to mention enjoying the Steve Miller Band's 1982 classic hit, Abracadabra, 500 times. Unfortunately, Garmin can't measure fun, but that was off the charts. I also lost count of the pie I consumed, and there's no measure for the smiles from those sweet little church ladies who baked them. Those stats will have to wait for a future analysis. BICUS is overheating and needs a break, and I'm off to McDonald's for some subconscious reason. So, take care everybody, and safe riding.